One feature that EstateAssist includes for organization is what we call case status updates. Looking at this case dashboard, you see that our cases are in different categories of some of the general steps through a normal estate administration. And so when you go into a case dashboard and you have your specific case information and access to all of the different things that you need for your case, you'll see up here at the top a case status where you can change things. So James Garfield is currently listed under the intake section. If we change that to, say, preparation of initial pleadings and opening the estate, we hit update. And now when I go out to the dashboard, we see that President Garfield has moved down here into our category for initial pleadings and open estate. This is modeled sort of along the lines of a Kanban board, which we've used for our estate administrations for several years. We find it very helpful. By having your cases broken into these different categories, it's really nice to see sort of where everything is in the process. Anything that's starting to get bottlenecked or staying in one category longer than you might like, it really gives a nice visual view of the cases. We've used some general categories for them. If you find that your firm has a different set of categories, or you see the process breaking down into different pieces, we'd be happy to listen. Also, if for some reason you don't like this, if you prefer to have all your cases in just one bucket, then you can certainly do that. Just leave them all under one, whatever category name you might want to use, or you can leave them all in intake. They'll all build up in the same box. You simply won't have the ability to see the different statuses if you don't do the updates. And you'll also see along the same lines that when a case gets done, we have an archive button that allows you to move it into an archive, and then any of your administrators will be able to reactivate that case later on if you wanted to bring it back out. But once you archive it, it leaves the dashboard screen and moves into the administrator's archive list. And that's also where the administrator could go to ultimately delete a case if you wanted to go ahead and clear it out and create more space.